This chair has a classic look and feel. Uline's Leather Manager's Chair has soft-bottomed leather upholstery. This chair features a comfortable 3.5-inch thick seat. The fixed armrests are sturdy and provide stable support. The Leather Manager's Chair also has multiple adjustments. There's a pneumatic seat height adjustment. The tilt tension adjustment controls the force needed to tilt the chair. The standard tilt adjustment allows the back and seat to be tilted simultaneously. And the upright tilt lock enables the chair's back to be locked in the upright position. This chair also has 5 smooth rolling casters. Uline's Leather Manager's Chair is in stock and ready for delivery from any of our locations in North America. All your office furniture solutions are at Uline.